In many applications, the tool will need to be replaced due to wear or damage. At this time, the TCP pose of the robot has changed, and the originally written program cannot be used directly. Therefore, Bertram system provides a fast tool reversion method, which can complete the calibration only by aligning the tool with the measured external reference point. Step 1. Before replacing the tool, use the old tool to reach a specific position on the work table with a specific attitude, and create an original mark point. Note that the tool coordinate system needs to be associated when creating this point. Step 2. Replace the tool. Use the new tool to reach the same position on the work table with the same attitude, and create a new mark point. Note that when you create this point, you also need to associate the tool coordinate system. Step 3. In the tool coordinate system interface of Bertram Teach Pendant, select the tool coordinate system and click the reversion button to pop up the mark point input box. Step 4. Select the original mark point and the new mark point and click Set. Then the original tool coordinate system will be quickly corrected to the new tool coordinate system. At the same time, all program points associated with the original tool coordinate system will be associated with the reversed new tool coordinate system to ensure that the pose of TCP remains unchanged.